Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening FL Studio and going straight to Options, then Audio Settings. You need to confirm the audio device, choose an ASIO driver if available because it reduces latency. Once done, locate the buffer length control or samples field in the ASIO panel. This is what you will change. Make sure to note current values, since reverting is easier than guessing. Now you're ready to adjust buffer size deliberately to balance CPU load and latency for real-time monitoring. You adjust buffer size by dragging the slider or entering sample values in the ASIO control. Lower settings reduce latency for recording, but make sure your CPU can handle the load. If you hear clicks or dropouts, increase the buffer until the audio is stable, because larger buffers give the engine more time to process. Also try powers of 2 sample sizes or millisecond presets for predictable scheduling. Once you find a sweet spot, test with playback and record arm tracks to verify performance. You finalize by testing recording and playback with the actual project. Make sure plugins and effects behave as expected. If issues persist, update your audio interface drivers, enable FL Studio's multi-threaded processing, or try the FL ASIO driver as a fallback, because driver compatibility often causes glitches. Once satisfied, restart FL Studio to ensure settings stick, and save any mixer or template presets so you can recall the buffer configuration quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.